Hello guys, welcome to a new video of programming. Either you found this video on YouTube or you've gone to the programming playlist on my channel. So first what I gotta do is I got to open my other folder. Let's do that real quick. So here we have it. We have a HTML file right here and a game file right over here. And surprisingly, we have a moving platform, the selector, and a rotate button to rotate it. You can also do it with spacebar on your keyboard, but this to make it mobile friendly. And also, of course, I made it up with AI, cause I'm a kid. But there's one problem here. If you're making like a big project, you can't just turn it. That only toggles via 4 stuff. So what we want proper camera control. And that's what this video is all about. Proper camera controls. I have no idea if you can see my reflection in the thing, but luckily it's dark. So, first what we got to do, we got to turn it with WASD movements. So what we can do is we can just go to ChatGPT. We can search all our chats. And I want to go to greeting conversation. Oh, great. Now let's make proper camera controls. So what we still need space bar toggling, but we also need WASD movements, zoom in and zoom out with up arrow, in and down arrow, out, and not that is not months, and that's not all we need. So what we also need is we want to change the Y level. So we are gonna need lots of controls. WASD, arrow keys. So what we can do is, instead of adding a keybind to, instead of us adding a keybind, to Y movement for camera, so that's the position you are looking at it. So instead of us doing that, we do separate buttons with a up and down arrow symbol. So that, and I'm gonna enter, and let's wait what ChatGPT gives us. So that's what we have. Here are all of the stuff we need, And there's also a bigger version right here, right now, on screen. Well, probably not. Anyway, so this is the code ChatGPT gave us, and it's not done. Wait, what is this? Is this HTML? Yeah, no, this is the HTML file. And also, how does ChatGPT type with these? Wait. Hey, boy. Yeah, that's saved. I should not have done that. Up, slash down, one. No. So, let's see how far this guy is. Well, not guy, it's a AI. An artificial intelligence. So, I'll see when it's actually done. It's done. Let's paste the new. Now this is the JavaScript, because JS is JavaScript. Let's do it in the HTML files. Command A, Command V. And if you're thinking I did not Command C it, I just click this button. It copies the current code to your clipboard. And now, that's funny. Yes, we have our. We can move away from it. And I have no idea. So, that is not good. And we can also zoom in. That's actually kind of funny. You know what? That's actually kind of funny. And also you can zoom out. Wait. Zoom out. Zoom out. Oh, this is max zoom. And you can still change the Okay. So now what we want is So now let's make it mobile friendly. Button for zoom using magnifying glass icons. Maybe text for better rendering, because this is HTML we're talking about here. HTML, hypertext markup language, I think. It's made for text. So let's do that. And for the WASD movement, we use, so let's not do WASD because that's not a good idea. Oh, whoa. I actually have the best idea that just suddenly hit my brain. Because I was watching a lot of tutorials on it on Scratch. A joystick. We use a joystick. Yes, a joystick. And I'm so happy. I am happy, la la la. To move with WASD. It can, though, only go in the each direction like without it, like when you move, like, how many times am I saying like? Well, you will not answer right now on screen. When you move like with W and S A, then it moves up to the right. Enter. And now let's see what the GPT gives us. I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so again, ChatGPT gave us something. On-screen joystick. So like that, zoom button for up down as before. Let's see how good it is. It's not that good, so I guess I'll see you when it's done then. See ya for the second time, no, third time today. Alright. When the heck is this thing done? I do not have patience, that's for sure. Bro, why so many comments? Movement each frame. Forward, right hand. Tweet. Alright, I guess. All I want is the code. Alright, so let's. Alright. So joystick works as expected. We have zoom in, zoom out button, and we still have rotate. Great. This is exactly what we wanted. And just an add-on for this video. This is just gonna get much more harder in the future. And also I like typing foreshadowing and editing. Anyways, also, now this is broken. So that is also the debug of this video. I do not like debugging. Right, actually I'm not. So this is why if you're a developer you have to test every single thing every time you do something. When I hold down the... Wait, actually, we still need to test one thing else. Alright, so it's automatic. Now when I touch with my mouse let's see, what was it? Icon on the right side bar. What we want it to do, it does some weird thingy, majingy. I think that's how you type it. And when I click it, it just teleports to the destination. Fix that, please. Like how it was before. And just one more edit. And this time it won't be multiple. I promise you. I hope. Anyway, see ya! Alright. So I broke my promise, I guess. But it did not give me the full HTML code. And I don't like debugging stuff and clicking stuff and doing like that. So give me the full HTML code file, please. I have no idea why I did that. Delete. I don't want question mark. The mark which you are noticing the lesson of this little shape. It's in made by the placing of this little crook mark over period. The name of this mark is called the question mark. Anyway, that's not really what we are doing. We are here to edit away these stupid parts. See ya! Alright. So, as I definitely promised. Kinda creepy. Now what we can do is we can paste the entire new thing. We can go refresh. Alright. So there's still one more debugging. But that is for a debug montage. If it's ever gonna exist, I have no idea. So for this video, this time, It's laggy. I have no idea why. But anyway.